Congratulations, Cliff. You are the new head of household. There's a new sheriff in town, and his name is Cliff Hogg III. But you can call me Boss Hogg. And this week we're gonna do things a little differently. Hit it!
Oh, please can we see the truth of BB? What they show on TV doesn't match with the live feeds. Why show Jack being nice when he links Bella with rice? That won't make it to air, so go watch on TMC. And Jackson is the worst. He hooked up with Kat first, then he banged Holly, and he dumped both with glee. So eat your toilet cucumber and all your soggy shower snacks. Why are there no penalties for these freaking SOBs?
Is Cliff America's player? Say